Benefits from local SEO. Local SEO benefits a wide range of businesses and organizations, particularly those with a physical location or a service area they want to target. Here are some examples of who benefits from local SEO. 1. Small businesses. Local SEO can help small businesses like restaurants, coffee shops, retail stores, local service providers increase their online visibility and attract nearby customers. Second, service professionals. Doctors, dentists, lawyers, electricians, plumbers, and other professionals can benefit from local SEO to reach potential clients in their area. Third, franchise businesses. Franchise businesses with multiple locations can use local SEO to ensure each branch is found by local customers. Fourth, e-commerce stores. Even businesses that primarily operate online can benefit from local SEO to target specific geographic regions and build trust with customers in those areas. Fifth, restaurants and food establishments. Local SEO is crucial for restaurants, cafes, and food businesses to drive food traffic and increase online orders. And lastly, real estate agents. Real estate professionals rely on local SEO to showcase properties in specific neighborhoods and attract potential buyers or renters. In essence, any business or organizations that wants to connect with local audience or customer base can benefit from local SEO to improve their online presence and increase their chances of being discovered by people in their vicinity.